Hi everybody, this is Alvito and welcome back to the Study and Work Abroad channel. I'm going to be talking today about how to thrive as an international student in your destination country. There are very small, minute details that a lot of students kind of ignore, but matter a lot or go a long way in you living a good life, a good quality life as an international student when you study abroad. Now, what are these? These are just everyday matters, adjusting to the culture, your physical health, your mental health, your work life balance, financial management, your social circles. All of these factors matter a lot for you to enjoy your life as a student abroad. Don't just go there and say everything will be fine and I'll be fine, and you don't make adjustments, you don't make an effort to create a good environment for yourself. It's very important that you do that. And I'm going to be talking about a few points that matter a lot when it comes to living a good quality life as an international student. So the first point is daily life's adjustment. You got to figure out what time you're going to be going to college, what time you're going to be going to work, how you're going to be managing your food, where are you going to eat, what are you going to eat, managing your groceries. All these very small, minute details go a long way in you having a really quality day, a really quality week, and a really quality lifestyle. So get all of those in place and you will be fine. The next point is cultural adjustment. We may also call it cultural shock, but instead of making it a shock, you make it an adjustment. You got to figure out the culture of the country, whether it's the sports culture, the music culture, the general way people behave, the study culture, the work culture, the etiquettes. Understand all of that before you even travel to your destination country. So let's say you're going to New Zealand, you need to understand the Maori culture, how do people greet each other, what are work hours, what are casual time, how do people hang out, what are what is the music scene, what is the sports scene, what are the sports events that are very common in the country. So you need to understand all of these and how to adjust to their culture of that country. It could be any country, and a lot of the advanced countries, the English speaking advanced countries, as well as the European countries, are very different from what we are in India. We spend our time differently, you need to spend your time differently. So once you figure that all out and you've adjusted to the culture, your life will become really good as an international student. The third is balancing work and study. So your time that you spend studying in university, your time you spend doing projects, your time you spend doing assignments, your time you spend doing industry projects, you got to know how to adjust that every week. University is typically 16 to 20 hours a week. You got to then know, okay, you spend these number of hours or this much time in the day doing individual study, doing assignments, and then you'll have part-time work and full-time work during holidays. You got to be able to manage your time and balance your work and study life properly, because it's very important for you to merge that well so that your studies do not matter, but you work enough at the same time to take care of your living expenses. The fourth is financial management, and this is most critical. A lot of stress comes out of bad financial management. It's not that you are not able to make the money or you're not able to manage your money. It's just that you're not keeping a tab on your expenses, and you're not keeping a tab on your income, you're not keeping a tab on your taxes, or even you're not even keeping a tab on your blocked account or your GIC account. You need to have a good control on your finances and manage your finances well. You shouldn't be overspending. At the same time, you shouldn't be so stingy that you affect the quality of your life. Okay, live well, live comfortably, spend time in social activities, going out on weekends, but manage your finances well. If your financial management is good, your mental health will be good, your physical health will be good. Which brings me to my next point, mental and physical health. Mental health is so important. Just keeping your mind in the right space, the right place, doing the right things, attending college well, managing your work well, managing your finances well, all of these go in having good mental health. Then also physical health. A lot of universities will have gym facilities, sports facilities. Go out and use them. Most of them are free of charge for students. Keep your physical health well, exercise well, spend time on your body, taking care of your physical health. And all of this will go a long way in giving you again a quality life as an international student. The next point is safety tips. A lot of people, a lot of parents ask us, is my son going to be safe? Is my daughter going to be safe? And the general answer I give is keep your environment or the people that you have around you, your colleagues, your friends, your classmates, just generally the people that you associate yourself with, the environment that you're in, keep that well, keep that safe, stay around people that you're comfortable with. Don't go creating a mess here and creating a mess there. A safe environment is an environment that you create for yourself. So create a safe environment and stay in that safe environment. That doesn't mean you have to be in a comfort zone, go out and explore things, meet new people, make new contacts, new networks, but at the same time, be aware of what you're doing and that all of that is safe for you. Which then brings me into what I would consider the most important point and the last point that I will talk about, and that is your social circle and your friend circle. Having the right people around you is very, very important as an international student, not just as an international student, but also for your professional career. Your colleagues at college, your classmates, your colleagues at work, your neighbors, your flatmates, you need to have the right people around you. You have good company, you'll be in good hands. You'll have a good student life. You have bad company, you're going to fall into trouble. So keep the right friends, make the right friends, keep the right friends, keep your proper social circles, because all of that is very, very important for you in having good mental health and creating a good environment for yourself. Because building a good social circle around yourself is very important in the quality of life that you will live as an international student. So, to summarize, small, minute details that go a long way in living a quality life as an international student. Take care of these minute details and you will be well. Thank you for listening, and I'll see you in my next video.